Welcome to Detective Vector's Detective Agency. Tonight we're going to draw Espio from Sonic X. Espio is the brains of the Detective Agency organization. He's got massive spy skills and has the power to turn invisible. He also happens to be a ninja. Espio is highly intelligent and possibly has the same strength as Knuckles. He can take down any enemy just by getting in close contact with them and sending in a powerful counter-strike. One strong guy. He once even helped Shadow knock out the Metarex with one blow. Alexa, stop. There. Well, that's more like it. We have Espio striking a pose. And here's his tail. Alexa, what is a chameleon?
Chameleons or chameleons are a distinctive and highly specialized clade of Old World lizards with 202 species described as of June 2015. These species come in a range of colors, and many species have the ability to change color. Chameleons are distinguished by their zygodactylous feet, their swaying gait, and crests or horns on their brow and snout.
Alexa, what does it mean to be invisible?
As an adjective, invisible can have a few meanings. 1. Not visible, not perceptible by the eye. 2. Withdrawn from or out of sight, hidden. 3. Not perceptible or discernible by the mind. 4. Not ordinarily found in financial statements or reflected in statistics or a listing.
There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Espio. Anyways, what other Sonic characters you guys want me to draw? Please leave a comment below. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rocket, subscribe to my channel. Let me know which character you want me to draw next. We've already drawn Vector. And if you want to go to that episode, please go to it, and I can teach you how to draw it at ease. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you guys again soon. Stegosaurus, see you later.